Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to simplify decimals using order of operations. So let us take an example. In this example, we want to simplify. Let's write this thing down. We want to simplify an expression of this type. 0.4 open parenthesis 3 minus 1.5 close parenthesis plus 1.2, this whole thing raised to the power of 2. So to be able to simplify this, we're going to follow these following steps. Step number 1, we're going to perform the order of operations using this catchphrase, which is PEMDAS. P stands for opening up the parentheses, E stands for expanding the exponents, M stands for performing the multiplication from left of the equation to the right of the equation, D stands for performing the division from left of the equation to the right of the equation, E stands for performing the addition of numbers from left of the equation to the right of the equation, and then S stands for subtraction of numbers from left of the equation to the right of the equation. So in step 2, we will start to apply this process and see how we can do that. So we have in here we have inside, we want to simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. We have 3.0 minus 1.5. So we borrow from here. So this becomes 2, this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, so therefore 1.5. So 3 minus 1.5 is going to be equal to 1.5. So therefore we can come back here and then write this one as 0.4 times 1.5. So according to our procedure, we have simplified the numbers inside the parentheses, and we will complete this expression here. So what we have here is plus 1.2, this whole thing raised to the power of 2. So therefore, now we're going to simplify or expand the exponents. The exponent what we have here is 1.2 raised to the power of 2. What does that mean? The base is repeated the number of times the exponent is indicating to us. The number of times the exponent is 2, therefore 1.2 times 1.2. 1.2 times 1.2 is equal to 1.44. 1.44. So we'll write that in this next step. Step 3. In here we're going to then say 0.4 times 1.5 plus 1.44. So according to our step 1, we have simplified the numbers inside the parentheses. We've expanded the exponential part of it. The next step we want to perform is multiplication. Do we have multiplication? Yes, we want to multiply 0.4 times 1.5. So that is what we need to do. So we'll go back to our margin here. 0.4 times 1.5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5, so there is, like, we can carry the 2 there. Then we perform the multiplication with 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 0 is 0. So 0, 6, 0. So we have 1 decimal place in the first number, 1 decimal place in the second number. So therefore we need to move the decimal place 2 places from right to left. So therefore 0.4 times 1.5 comes out as 0.60 plus 1.44, and this is that is how we simplify the multiplication part of the decimal ones. And then step 4, according to our step 1 here, we perform the multiplication. There is no division. We need to perform the addition. There is no subtraction. So we go back here and then we take these two numbers. We want to add these two numbers, 0.60 plus 1.44. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. We carry the 1, write the 0 there. 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore, this value comes out as equal to 2.04. So therefore 2.04 is our answer. So when we had this expression 0.4 times 3 minus 1.5 plus 1.2 raised to the power of 2, if we needed to simplify this expression which contained decimal numbers, we simplified this expression using the order of operations, and we were able to arrive at this answer in a logical manner. This is the way we want to apply all the concepts involving decimal numbers to simplify these types of numbers. Thank you very much for being with me for these presentations. Thank you.